Okay, we are live, so let's see if the sound is working or if there's a problem as usual. Okay, that seems to be okay. We're just gonna check YouTube to see if that's working okay. I'm not quite sure why there's an echo in here. Okay, mic check 1. Okay, that's off. Let's go back to TikTok. Okay, let's check this now, see if the mic is still. Okay, that's a lot better. Oh, we ain't got no music. Let's see if we can get that sorted. Okay, there's always some problem. There's always some problem. Okay, let's get this sorted. Don't worry. The markets are very choppy at the moment. They're not doing anything. Okay, mic check. So some problems as usual. Triple cooked. We're cooked right now. Okay, I think that may be a lot better. Okay, yep, so that volume's right back down. So yeah, I think we're just gonna do it like this. All right, let's go. Yeah, I think that should be a lot better. That's okay for now. All right, 1 second. We're just going to check one more thing. Okay, so we don't know why we're not getting no sound coming in today. Mike, how you doing, Mike? We're just finishing off setting up the sound. Yeah, the markets are still moving choppy at the moment, so it doesn't really matter. Let's try to get this sound sorted and figure out why we're not getting the music coming across. Hello. What's that, Hindi writing or Punjabi writing? All right, for now, we're gonna get started. Okay, so let's have a look at what's been going on in the markets. Okay, so a very choppy start to the London session. So we're definitely not going to be taking a trade right now. I just need to go over onto my trade syncer account. One second. Hi, is that Punjabi writing or Hindi writing? I can't actually tell because I know it's Indian writing, but I can't tell if it's Punjabi. Pablo, how you doing, Pablo? We're just going onto my trade syncer and we're just going to disconnect my take profit trader account because I'm already getting a payout on that one today, so I can't trade that account. So if I go over onto trade syncer, then what you do, you disconnect take profit trader. So I'm only going to be trading alpha futures today. So if you go over onto this thing here, it's called the cockpit. Yeah, that should be fine. So both connections are disconnected and we're just going to be trading alpha futures on a trade on trading view. So let me just get this logged into. Okay, so we finally made the trailing drawdown on take profit trader and we actually got into a payout stage. So we can't trade with take profit trader today, but we will be trading with alpha futures. So let me just log out of this and then log into alpha futures. Oh damn, where's my alpha futures login? Hope you guys can't see this side what I'm doing right now, because otherwise you're going to get my password and you're going to be trading with my account. Okay, go back. Okay, right now we're just logging into my alpha futures account, so if you just bear with me. Okay, yes, we're logged in. Okay, so now we need to find out what the news events are doing today. So I need to put the volume down on my headset because it just keeps echoing into my ear. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, so news today, we've got a red folder at 8 a.m. which is just past. Oh no, sorry, we had one at 7:30 until 8, and then in 16 minutes we got another red folder news event which is just euro, but it still does affect when you're trading prop firms. So if you're trading prop firms, you're not going to be trading around 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after the next 15 minutes red folder news event. So we're probably just going to hold out and wait till price moves after that time frame so we can start taking trades. And then unless you're on a personal account, then you can trade whatever you want on a personal account as long as you're protecting your own capital, guys. Okay, so then we're not going to have another red folder news event until 6:30 p.m. so after 9 o'clock. So at 9 o'clock we got a red folder news event. So after 5 minutes past 9 until 4:30 p.m. you're going to be good to trade on prop firms. Challenge phases, you can trade news, but when you're on the funded stage they're very strict, so don't trade the news because they'll just blow your accounts. Any excuse to blow your account, they'll blow your account, so be very careful, guys. Okay, so that's the news for today. So in 15 minutes we've got the 9 o'clock red folder Europe news, and then after that we're good to trade until 4:30 p.m. Okay, so if I just come off that now, let's have a look at what's going on in the markets. Let's see if we can find any key areas. So if I go over onto the 30-minute time frame, clearly we are on a downtrend, but this area has been respected and price has pushed up. But then this area also has been respected and price has pushed down. So then that creates a support and resistance area. But now if these candles go below this area, break past it, then we possibly are going to be continuing down. I don't trade support and resistance, because support and resistance usually has a lot of liquidity above and below the support and resistance areas, which gets taken out and then price moves to another opposite direction. So we're going to wait for some sort of liquidity sweep in these areas and then we'll go for a trade. If not, we're just going to follow market structure today, and because I know there's a couple of red folder news events, so price will be manipulated. So tomorrow we've got red folder news events at 1 p.m. We've got the CPI consumer price index, but that's the European consumer price index. So in the morning we may have something else tomorrow. Nope. 2:45 interest rate decisions. Yep, tomorrow we've got quite a lot of red folder news, and on Thursday we have red folder news events as well. So, and we got FOMC. Is FOMC was supposed to be on Wednesday, wasn't it? Let's have a look. Yeah, FOMC. So price is going to be chopping around, guys, so just be very careful. Okay, right now price is not doing anything, it's just chopping around. So let's go into the 1 hour time. Let's clear what's on the, remove the drawings. Let's see what price is doing now. So we reached all-time highs, then we had a retracement. Price tried to push up, couldn't break past the all-time highs. It broke structure to the downside. It was respecting this area down here, and price pushed right back up, back into this fair value gap, which was already mitigated. This fair value gap here, and then price has just respected that area and just pushed straight back down again. Thought this would be some sort of retracement, but it wasn't. Slightly retraced, price pushed back down again. So today I'm thinking price can come around 27425 for a retracement and push down, or let's mark this area as a red area because this is what's pushing price down. That's support and that's a resistance area. We're not trading resistance, guys. If you have any questions or anything, just shoot them through and I'll answer as much as I can. Or if you're trading with me, that's fine. If you're new and you're learning how to trade, put the questions in and I'll answer as much as I can. Okay, guys. So this area here is a support and resistance area. So price has rejected from around here. So we'll leave that as a resistance area. Okay. And then I'm thinking price is going to react from this area if price comes back here. Yep. So that's the 27444 or 27440 area. Or let's just mark out this area down here. So if price comes to around this area here, that's the 27419. Let's just mark that out in pink as well, so we know that these are the areas where price is reacting. So these are the 1 hour zones, guys, the 1 hour zones. And remember, drink your lemon water. You got to drink your water, guys. Your lemon water. You got to detox. Wow, we got quite a few people online. Yeah, so guys, if you have any questions, pop them through. Oh God, I didn't connect it. So if you have put questions through, I'm not going to see it. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, guys. There's always some sort of mistake. 1 second. Right now, the questions should hopefully pop through. Oh, let's just put something in. Test. All right, yeah, that's working now. Damn, I missed a lot of people out. It's okay. It's okay. We'll start again. All right. We're waiting for some sort of retracement. And then you've got another area here that can possibly have a reaction to when price comes into these areas. Let's have a look now on the Fibonacci retracement tool. You've had the swing high to the swing low. Price still never retraced into the 50% area, so that's still a premium area where we can sell off from on the 1 hour time frame. And then we have swing high to the swing low, depending on what price is doing around here. It can sell off from this 61.8 area or just past this 50%, because that's another premium area where you should get some sort of discount. But I want price to retrace higher. We want to be going around here. So if I go from the full leg, from the swing high to the swing low, we want to go around the 27,420 area. So anything there and above, we can look for a sell. So hopefully we can catch a sell from them areas. So now let's drop down to the lower time frames. So you can see on the 30-minute time frame, we've had a push down, we've had a retracement. Okay, so then from this leg, we've had a push down and a retracement. So that is already been done into a premium area. So price can so price can come either into this area here or above here. And on the 30-minute time frame, we leave this half as the fair value gap, because that's the 1 hour fair value gap. That's fine. Okay, so if we go down to the 15-minute time frame, okay, yeah, so if price comes into this area, we'll see what price is doing, and then we'll look for a sell-off. Is the music still on, guys? All right, we still got the music as well, so that's good. Still got the music to keep you entertained. Yeah. Guys, where is everyone today? We had Sean McCarthy on yesterday. He was like, he entered a trade and he actually was making some profits yesterday. So I wanted to know if he comes back on today. I want to know if he's going to be trading today, and also did he trade more yesterday, overtrade, or just stick to his one trade, because you should only be trading 1 or 2 trades a day, guys. So if you have your perfect setup, you should only be trading your perfect setup once or twice a day. You shouldn't be trading any more than that, and you shouldn't be risking too much size on your accounts, because you can blow your accounts as well. Usually guys start asking questions from around about 9 a.m. sorry, because they're waking up, getting onto the market slower. Right, so let's have a look at the 5-minute. Price is just chopping around, as you can see on the 5-minute. It's creating this kind of support, but I don't trade support and resistance because I don't trust it. So if we drop down again to the 3-minute, As you can see, price is still rejecting, bouncing around this area. It can respect this area and continue pushing down, but we'll see. We are on a downtrend. Never trade against the trend. Always trade with the trend. The trend is your friend, guys. And never just take any random trade. Just wait. Just sit on your hands until you can see a setup and then go for a trade. Asian lows have been swept down here already, but we don't know, is it targeting anything lower? Let's have a look. So if we go onto the 4-hour time frame, we've not really got no imbalances, maybe on the lower time frames, but it all depends. If this is a retracement and we can just push up, but if it's retracing, it needs to retrace a lot lower and come into this area. But it all depends. Let's have a look at what price is doing on the lower time frame. Okay, have a look. It's respecting that support and resistance area here. Okay guys, so remember, never trade against the trend. Trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. So if you see now price starts pushing up and we took an entry, we'll take an entry because we're going to be trading with the lower time frame trend, because we know that there's a retracement area in these areas, so we can use these as targeted areas where we put our take profit. But you only take an entry when you see a setup, otherwise you don't. Otherwise you just sit on your hands and wait. We've got red folder news now in 2 minutes, so we'll have to wait for the next 10 minutes to see if we can take some sort of entry. So I'm not trading for around about another 10 minutes yet, guys. Until then, let's see if I can go on to take profit trader and get my payout. So remember guys, we got a red folder news event in 2 minutes. Even though it's a European red folder news event, it can still affect our Nasdaq. So we still don't trade any red folder news events, because prop firms, any opportunity they have, they'll just blow your account. Okay, so if I just go over on to take profit trader. Very quiet today. We're not seeing much people joining us. We've had 120 people join and pass by, but that's because I was working on the sound. But what we're going to do is we're going to keep talking, and we're going to keep hold of you guys and make you stay with us. So guys, there's a red folder news event in 1 minute. So we are not trading red folder news, and because we're on a prop firm, we can't trade for the next 6 minutes. Alright, let's have a look. Okay, so we could go on to the pro account. There, we withdraw. Enable multi-factor authentication. Okay, so yeah, red folder news has actually come and gone. So we have to wait another 5 minutes till we can start trading. You can see it has pumped some money into the markets because there are bigger moves happening now than there was while price was chopping around the past 5 minutes ago, and for the rest of a few hours until Asian session. Wow. See, this can be a liquidity sweep. So if price now keeps pushing up, then continues to the upside, that's just swept liquidity from this whole let me just shrink it so you can see the whole thing. So this here was a support zone created. Price is probably pushing down to sweep the liquidity from this area and then reverses back up, or because we're on a downtrend, price can continue going down anyway. So we're not trading until price goes into our area of interest. Boom. Okay, Phoenix, are you trading? Are you actually trading today? Why are they making it even harder to just request a damn payout? Okay, so now we go over to the wallet, and the wallet's still... Okay, we're still waiting for the funds to go into the wallet, and then we can withdraw the money out. Okay, that's fine. As you can see, price is pushing down, and it's broken structure again to the downside. We still got a few minutes to trade. But even then, we're not trading until we see an entry. Price is very choppy at the moment, guys. So if you're trading, it's very important to remember to just sit on your hands and not take a trade. Okay, not quite sure what's going on with my live because it's not letting anyone else join for some strange reason. That's strange. That's like 3 days we've had already now. So we've had Friday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 days we've had where that we've had problems with TikTok early in the morning, so it's annoying. But forget that, we're going to continue trading. So let's have a look at how much we should risk per trade. So if I put my limit size on, okay, that would be too tight for a stop loss. That means price is in a good area, in a nice area to trade from, because you're going to make a lot more money. So if we put on a smaller size, say 7 contracts, okay, we might get away with doing 6, actually 6 contracts, and there's 6 micro contracts, not minis. That would be just under 1 mini, 6 micro contracts. So yeah, I think that would be good enough for a stop loss for me. for today. XDC all day. Are you trading today, yeah? Or are you waiting? Because price is very choppy, isn't it? Or are you on your Bitcoin as usual? You're smashing the Bitcoin. XDC, yo, BTC. Nice. You taking any trades today? Jazz buy. Not quite sure what the everyday. Yes, man. Have you taken one this morning? Well, you're in New Zealand, right? It's later there, so yeah. To be fair, it's a good time for you. Everyone can just finish work, relax in the afternoon, evening time, and just watch the charts, wait for a trade, enter, hit some profits, go sleep. As you can see, price is still pushing down. That's the 2-minute time frame. Oh yeah, so there's no entry for me at the moment. Price is very choppy and I don't trade in these kind of markets. Oh, we beat the trailing drawdown. I've not found a trade today, no. Price is very choppy at the moment. It's because I think there's going to be FOMC tomorrow, so price will be very, very choppy. But yeah, we beat the trailing drawdown yesterday for take profit trader, and we ended up getting ourselves a payout, which was great. So that's one good thing. And because I'm requesting a payout with take profit trader, I have to trade with Alpha Futures today. So normally I copy trade the accounts, but I can't copy trade take profit trader until they put the money into our account, and then we can continue trading with Alpha Futures for today. Let's have a look. Let's go on to TradeZella and connect some accounts, and let's see if I can show you some of my accounts. Won't be too long because I have to reconnect my accounts up, because once you passed into funded stages, you have to reconnect your accounts on Take Profit Trader, because it gives you a whole new different username. Just bear with me a moment and then I'll show you my calendar. Okay. That's connected. Can I get a funded account? Yeah, you can get a funded account, but then that depends. Like, do you want to do the challenge and then get funded, or do you just want to go straight to funded? Because if you go straight to funded, they cost a lot more as well. Straight to funded accounts are a lot more money. Just bear with me one moment. You want to do the challenge account? Okay. Then you should. What prop firms are you with at the moment? Because if you go into my bio, you'll get a discount code if you want to trade on Alpha Futures. But does it let you trade Bitcoin? Let me just have a quick look on here. BTC. So I'm sure it was MBT. Yeah, it's very choppy on here. So Yeah, alpha futures don't look good with that stuff. If it's Bitcoin, then you want to go for a CFD account, I think. I have got a discount code for funding pips. That's in my bio as well. So if you jump into my link in my bio, and then you'll get a discount code for funding pips. That's where you can trade Bitcoin and everything like that. Okay, price is still very choppy. There's still no trade for me at the moment. Where am I going? Yep, so I was on TradeZella. Okay, so we've connected them accounts up to, and we are in this one. So let's have a look. So let's just resync this. So this is TradeZella. This is where I track all my data and all my accounts. Net PNL is 3,689. So you're more of a swing trader. Yeah, you could do swing trading on. You'll have to check on Funding Pip's website if they'll allow swing trading accounts. But I know Funded Next and FTMO and all them guys do, but they're a bit more pricier. So you can see yesterday's on the 27th. We were in profit of 3,600, 3,600 and $89. $3,689 in profit yesterday, which has enabled us to get a payout from Take Profit Trader. But because I'm running it off 2 accounts, I'm doing Alpha Futures and Take Profit Trader. Alpha Futures is still in the test stage, challenge stage, so I've still got another $2,500 to make on Alpha Futures before I can start requesting payouts, which should be easy because yesterday in one day we made 3k. So what's stopping us from making 2k when we get the perfect setup? So that's why you just sit on your hands and you don't trade until you get the perfect setup, till you find your A+ setup, guys. We're only gonna be 15 minutes left on the live. Pablo, are you trading with our Pablo? Are you and if so, what pair are you trading? So if we go over to here, if we do fundingpips.com, you should be able to see if you can swing trade with their accounts. Or just pop it in as a question and something should come up here. Yeah, you can easily find your account. No, I don't want to. I want to find some information. Yeah, so if you go to, this is one of my old accounts. Never really use it because I'm on futures now. So just say you wanted to. If you wanted to buy an account, would it have swing trading in there? I'm sure you can swing trade on Funding Pips. It just depends which which account, because I know FTMO, they usually say, okay, and funded next, they usually tell you that you can swing trade, but that's strange. On NQ, just looking for a nice setup right now. Trust me, Pablo, I'm looking for a nice setup as well. I literally can't find anything. If we get a clear, I don't know, price might come here now and continue pushing up in this area here. But it all depends how it breaks around about here. Or is it just being a magnet to push price back down again, because we are in a downtrend. So you have to wait for something nice. And that's not really a retracement. So probably something around about here. And then a push up. But just not trusting price action at the moment. It's really choppy and really shit. So I'm only risking about $250 per trade. So I think I could probably put that up to 7. Yeah, about 248 is fine. And then try and catch as much as I can to the upside. But that's not me trading against the trend. That's me trading with the trend on the lower time frame, because I want to see if we can go into any of these retracement areas. So if anything, I think we'll be retracing back. So I'm hoping to catch a trade retracing back to the upside, but I'm not sure because it's left. Let's have a look at the 2-minute time frame. 2-minute time frame is showing this would be a stronger, the midpoint of this would be a stronger area for an entry. So if you entered there, your stop loss around about there, and you took profits there, that could work. But as you can see, this area here has been, oh, you can't see it there. As you can see, this area here has been a resistance area on the 1-minute time frame and on the 2-minute time frame. So you don't know, is it just going to come here, catch some liquidity and continue pushing down? That as well. So I don't know if I would, or if this is a good area to take a trade. Chop work, that's what it is. It is chop work, you're right. When do you reckon SPX will retrace? There's a retracement every single day, man. If I just go over to ES, so there's a strong push down, weakened candles, and there's been a strong push up. So that's the retracement on the 2-minute. But if you're looking at the higher time frame, we've had a push down, we've had a break of structure, and we're currently retracing at the moment. So you have to retrace into one of these areas before we get another big push down. Or is it collecting liquidity from this fair value gap here? 1 second. Is it collecting liquidity from this fair value gap here? Because this is a clear uptrend and this is the retracement, and we're going to continue pushing up. So yeah, that's what it is, guys. So if I go back to MNQ, again, this area has been respected a few times, so we don't know, is it going to continue pushing up from there? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at what price is doing. Look at that. Maybe I should have just taken that entry instead of talking too much like I usually do. I chat so much shit that I could have just entered here. I said that I would be entering here and I didn't. But that's not a deep enough retracement for me to enter from. So what we do, we wait for another better setup. Because you see now we've had a break. to the upside, a change in character. So now I can wait on, let's have a look on the 2-minute time frame. You look, it's still, this area is a danger zone. Till I don't have no clear break past this area, I'm not sure if I'll be looking for an entry, because for me then that will be an aggressive trade. And I don't really want to enter in on an aggressive trade. So is today going to be a trade, or is today going to be a no trade day? That's very good. Good job. Thank you, XDC, all day. Because look, these candles have wicked down, scraping those two nice candles, but the price action is so buns. Yeah, you're right. That's exactly what I'm saying. Like, I just don't trust it right now. I just don't trust any price action right now. Maybe if it retraced in lower down here, then maybe I'd probably enter in a trade. Even then, it would be so risky. Naomi Lee, thank you for following. Are you trading with us today? Or are you trading at all? If so, what pair are you trading? What instrument? Yay, Naomi's trading. What instrument you trading? MNQ, yep, same here. I bet you're finding the price very choppy. It's shit, isn't it? MNQ is the one. I love a bit of MNQ. I don't trade SPX. People say to trade SPX because it's yeah, it's chopped for ages. Yeah, it's chopped for ages, but I've been managing to catch some good trades every day or every other day. But today, oh, I don't know. It's a bit horrible price action for me right now. But yeah, people do say trade SPX is less volatility. But I say if you can have your risk management in place and you're not risking too much or over leveraging, then you still should be okay to trade on the MNQ. Because I catch some beautiful trades. The trade that I caught yesterday, but I came out of the trade early because I was on trailing drawdown and I was following my stop loss. That trade pushed till over $2,000 and all I was doing was risking about $300, which was crazy. Yes, this area here. I'm not liking this area here. Even if it pushed up and we realize, okay, this is a resistance area, it's pushed up, swept liquidity and pushed down, we can say, okay, we're going to look for a trade on the downside. But it breaks past this support area on the 1 minute, pushes back above it, and it's not even shown us some sort of liquidity sweep or nothing. Let's have a look on the 5 minute what it looked like. You know, even on the 5 minute, maybe the 10 minute. Even on the 10 minute it doesn't. Maybe the 15 minute. Even the 15 minute doesn't. Let's have a look at the 30 minute. Yeah, look, the 30 minute shows a massive wick, like it's a massive liquidity sweep. I should be taking entries, yeah, and trying to hold my trade as much as I can, but I'm waiting for the perfect setup, and I'm not getting a perfect setup right now. But we are getting some sort of retracement, so maybe it's retracing down slowly, maybe till about here, or maybe here. And then we can get an entry. Yeah, patience is key. That's the whole problem. Like, because I'm trying to be patient, the more time I'm spending on the charts, the more impatient I'm getting, because I want to be involved in the markets. And that's another problem that traders have. We just want to be involved even if the price action is so shit. Yeah, even if the price action is lame, we just still want to be involved. You just can't control your emotions. So that's a lot to do with the psychology side. So psychology side is big in trading, but I always say that psychology is always shit until you have strategy that works for you. Because if you haven't got a strategy, you're going to be taking random trades, force trading, revenge trading, taking any setup, and that fucks your psychology anyway. So I always say you need a good strategy, an A+ setup, something with a good win rate, and you need a good risk to reward ratio and a good risk management. Then that's better for your psychology, because then you know, okay, I'm going to be taking this type of setup all the time. Until you don't know that part, how can you fix your psychology? Because you're just going to be forcing trades and over trading all the time. My second week in the markets, and I'm still trying to learn how to control my emotions on a loss. Laugh my ass off. This is MNQ 1 minute. Blessed, yes, is MNQ 1 minute. So what, Pablo, you've only been trading for 2 weeks? So you're very, very new. Best thing to do is get the education behind you. Because when I first started trading, I thought I was invincible. I thought, yeah, okay, I know the markets, just enter a trade, gamble. 1 or 2 trades came through. That boosted my ego. And then I oversized and I put more money in, thinking, okay, yeah, now I'm going to double my money. And then I blew it all. And then after that, I kept blowing accounts for about a year, 2 years, until I started learning a strategy, getting education, putting my ego to the side and listening to people. And then I looked into ICT. Loads of people cuss ICT, but I thought, you know what, I'm still going to look into it. I looked into SMC. I looked into these indicator trading. That wasn't really for me. I looked into order flow. I looked into support and resistance. And then I made like a model that kind of works for me. So I think that's the route you should go down. Get some education. It'll be perfect for you. So this was our trade. And I could have just put my stop loss into break even now, because I don't really trust the markets right now. And this would have continued pushing up, or maybe came back and stopped me out. But it would have stopped me out in break even. That's annoying. So no worries. We're going to continue waiting for another trade. We'll wait for a retracement. So say from here to here, it didn't come anywhere near the 50% area there. So I reckon if price comes around about this area again, then I'll take a trade. So I'll risk $248 to continue up to a retracement area on the higher time frame. Hey guys, got quite a few of you on now. Everyone seems to join around about 9:30. Guys, I'm on here at 8:30 to 9:30, and I just want to be here on for the hour. But when people start joining later on, then I end up staying longer and I start talking more, and I just talk too much, and then I miss my trades. So yeah, right now I've missed a trade, but I think price should come back into our area for us to continue trading. Win, lose, draw, I take 1 to 2 trades a day, and then I'm out of the market. Trina, I see you're back. What pair are you trading? What symbol are you trading today? Yeah, I definitely want price to come into this area here for us to take price to the upside. I can risk a little more, but I don't think I want to. I want to just probably, I think $250 is enough. Okay, let's have a look. Let's put in a sell limit. Let's see if price comes into this area. And if price is moving shit before it comes into this area, then I know I can just close my trade out. If it's moving good, then I'll just leave the trade running. But remember guys, always cut your losses and let your winners run. Because if you cut your losses and leave your losses to just like be small and your winners to be big, even if you win 4 out of 10 trades, you'll still be profitable because you let your winners run and you cut your losses. Have a look. Come on, price, come into our area so we can get a trade in. Yeah, guys, ask questions, put whatever you want in the chat, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. But price is just so shit. I knew to take my shot there and I didn't. But I want to wait for price to come back into that exact same area, because then now that area is the discounted area for discounted price. So if price can retrace there on the 1 minute time frame, I will look for an entry. So let's have a look at what it will look like on the 2 minutes. On the 2 minutes, yeah. So then obviously there's a fair value gap here, but then we've got our stop loss below that fair value gap. So if price can come here, tap us in, and hopefully continue pushing, the next target would be here, that area there, so around about here. But then the target after that would be that area there, and then if it's going to keep pushing, you can keep going. But that's that red area that I've marked out, that's another retracement area, so price can react from that area and continue pushing down as a retracement. So it's all about patience. I can change my bias at any time, because right now I'm targeting the retracement areas. Do you trade New York AM? Yeah, sometimes I do. Yeah, New York pre-market. Are you saying pre-market, or are you saying when markets open? So that would be 2:30 p.m. GMT time. So UK time, that would be 2:30 p.m. But then that would be 9:30 a.m. Yeah, like 9:30 open onwards. Yeah, I do trade that sometimes. I do trade that. But the thing is, price gets very volatile, so you got to make sure you're using correct risk management. Where you from, Dhruv? Where you from? How long you been trading, and what pairs do you trade? With this, because I'm looking for a buy here, this should be blue, not red. Yeah, Dhruv, sorry, what pairs do you trade, and where are you from? Are you from New York or America or UK yourself? From London, bro, and been trading for around 2.5 years. Are you profitable yet? Have you started making money in the markets, or you still on the, are you on the edge now where you're going to start to be a profitable trader? Yeah, man, I used to trade GBP USD. That fucker killed me when I first started trading, because I didn't know how to trade at that point. So I was just gambling, putting all my money into GBP USD and just getting smashed left, right, center. Now that I know how to trade, at some point I'm going to put money back into Forex, and I'm going to pull that money back out. But this time with interest. They've been holding my money for too long. I'm almost there, bro, on my journey to profitability. Yo, kill it. If you've been doing it 2.5 years and you stuck at it, after all those losses and you're still here, bro, you're built for this shit. You're gonna do it. It takes a lot. It takes a lot, you know, to get a beating in these markets, losing money after money after money. You just keep putting money in and you're still losing, and then you still keep coming back. Bro, that's some commitment right there. You'll do it. You're built for this. Are you trading futures right now? Are you on prop firms or a personal account? So I'm looking for a retracement just into this area down here. Oh, wicked. What prop firms you trading? I've just and on futures. Yeah. Wicked. Okay, we're still waiting for our retracement into our area of interest. Not had anything yet. Come on, let's go. It's annoying. Price is so whack. I'm funded with Lucid. Oh my god, you're trading Lucid. You can pass those accounts in one day as well if you catch the right trade at the right time. That's good. Are you copy trading on Lucid? Bro, hit the follow button. Follow me, then we can catch up. We can catch up on trading and stuff. Waiting for one winning day for the first payout. All right, listen to me, mate. If you're waiting for your first payout, Pablo, how you doing? Thank you for following. Make sure your next trade is an A+ setup. But that got to be an A++ setup. Don't force trades. I remember when I used to get to my first payout stage, I used to be like, I start forcing trades straight away. And then I start like scalping, and I don't wait for my right setup. And I just like start like taking stupid trades, like just try to get on this one candle and the price just goes against you. So yeah, make sure when you take that next trade, it's a good trade. Dhruv, thanks for following, Dhruv. Yeah, I caught longs yesterday, but gotta be such a good setup. Yeah, man, I caught longs yesterday as well. Where did you catch the long? On the London session? Because New York session was chopping around like shit yesterday. Nah, New York around 10:30. Oh my god. Don't tell me you were trading that area. 1 second. Let me discard that 1 second. If price comes to my area, it'll tap me in. If not, whatever. Let's go have a look at your 10:30. Your 10:30 a.m. trade. Okay, so were you scalping yesterday? Had a lot of confluences. Were you scalping or were you like day trading? How long did you hold your trade for? Nah, I was looking for a session move, but it was chopping about. So you got to have taken one of these moves here. So this is the 10:30 one, these two big candles on the 1 minute. Oh, so you took it till that high. So you traded from roundabout in this area or whatever retracement and then took it until that high. Yo, decent trade. I didn't look at that yesterday. I just seen price chopping around and was like, nah, that's not for me. Right, let's cancel that order because I can't see now. I bet price starts moving towards my area now. Just generating liquidity for today. Yeah. Okay, let's just put it back in again. This area, let's see. I don't like the way this this area here has formed. It's mad, hey, how you could just go off pure technical analysis and you can get some right banger of trades. So I'd say from midpoint here, stop loss around about here, risking about $248, and then you can push up till about these highs. Yeah, or I'd say for about here. Oh, then depends what price does, but I think price will move into that area here. And in general, it's FOMC, so we can't expect chop till it. Yeah, tomorrow's FOMC as well. Yeah, I was just looking at that. I think it was what do you use? Forex Factory, or I use fxstreet.com. So 1 p.m. today, consumer price index for European markets, CPI, and then FOMC 7:30 p.m. Oh, FOMC is what day is it today? Oh, it's Tuesday. Yeah, I'm confusing myself. Yeah. FOMC is tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. Yeah, so price is gonna be shit until then anyway. So yeah, I think if this trade comes down, it might just chop around. Mr. Narcos, the last time you said gold buy now, gold actually pushed up, so I'm gonna have a quick look. Yeah, Forex Factory. Let's have a look at your gold. Let's have a look at MGC. Oh yeah, I see what you're trying to do. I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to say, Narcos is saying price will come around here and then push up to about there. Okay. But the last time Narcos said that, price actually worked out. That's the crazy thing. But I wouldn't be risking as much as that. I'd be risking way less. So around about $250 again to see where price went. But it all depends. Are we on a downtrend or an uptrend? We are on a clear downtrend. So is it good to take a setup and trade against the trend when we're on a clear downtrend? But I see that can work as a retracement. I can see that working as a retracement. We'll come back and have a look at gold. I'm gonna stick to my MNQ for now. But look, the limit. Where was my limit order? Narcos trying to throw me off track. Guys, I only do 8:30 to 9:30. I'm 15 minutes over. I'm 15 minutes over. Don't mind taking this kind of entry, but price still has to retrace into my area. But yeah, I think today's just going to be one of those days where price is just shit, just chopping around. Thing is, I like to come off the markets and the charts about 9:30. I don't like to be sitting on the charts after this time. So let's see if this taps me in, and then let's see what it does. Win, lose, or break even, we don't care. Come on, let's go. Maybe I should have put my target area higher. That was there, and then this was here. No, I shouldn't have, because price needs to go low. Price needs to retrace lower. If price came around here, I'd just put my stop loss into break even if it taps me in and pushes up, and then I'd just walk away from the charts and then catch a trade later, see what it's doing. Right now, not doing shit. It's not tapped me in, so I'm not going to be chasing the trade neither. Always wait price to come into your area. Don't chase price. No Shad, Tivon. Alright, let's see if that Sorry guys, we had someone at the front door. Alright, price still hasn't tapped us in. Remember guys, never ever leave a trade running like that or a buy limit on if you're not managing the trade, unless you've got your stop loss in place and you don't mind just losing that amount. Come on man, are you gonna tap us in or what? Just seems like it just keeps rejecting from this area here. Alright, let's go, come on. Hopefully it taps us in. It would be nice for a live trade, but not quite sure what it's actually trying to do. It's getting very close to our buy limit. But then, is it going to respect our area, or is it just going to retrace back down? Or is it going to retrace further into that fair value gap? We don't know. So come on, man, just tap us in so I can be in and out of a trade today quick. Not quick really, you've been on it for about 2 hours. This is probably one of the longer lives. Oh my god. Mate, are you going to tap us in? No. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Look how close it is. So close, yet so far. It's one of them ones. It's so close, but it's so far. And I don't want to enter in the trade from here. I want it to come down into my area. So at least I can say I didn't break any rules. Oh, mate. Let's have a look. 1 second. So go over onto the 2 minute. It should tap us in. It's so shit that it's not, because there's a massive fair value gap below. That is so crap. Look at that. Come on guys, we want to be tapped in, and what the hell are you doing? Look at that. Oh mate, look how close that is. If it continues going up to hitting my take profit, I just missed my trade. I missed 2 trades today, that means. But to be fair, this one here wasn't actually a trade, because that retracement wasn't deep enough. Now, if this comes back and taps us in, we're a strong chance of losing this trade. So it's very annoying. Any of you guys trading right now? Maybe I should have put it on from around there instead of the buy limit being hit. But if this now does go down to tap us in, we're in a stronger chance of losing that trade rather than winning. But let's see what's happening. And I have to do it on live as well, so I have to sit here on the camera live waiting for a setup to play out. And to be fair, this is not 100% A plus setup. It's kind of the B setup. Not even a B, this is a C setup, because it's annoying. It's shit. Not working out. Not working in my favor. Anybody else trading Nasdaq today right now? And anyone else having issues with the way the market's been moving the past couple of, well, the past month? The markets have been choppy as shit. Whole of March price action was shit. Naomi Lee's joined us again. Naomi, are you still trading? Have you found a setup? This is probably the only one setup that I'll go for today. This is only one setup that I'm seeing that has a possibility of working out. The rest, yeah, I haven't yet. Yeah, I've not neither. This is kind of, to be fair, this is more of a forced trade now rather than an actual trade that I actually wanted, and it's not worked out the way I wanted it to work out. So this looks like it can probably go against me rather than with me. So it was a bit of an annoying trade. Damn, when did we get 7,793 likes? Wow, what the hell? Mad. What the hell is this doing? Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. I missed it. That was JB something. JB, just drop a comment. JB Jibu man. Thank you for the follow. Look, we've missed again. It's not coming into our area. And now, if this comes deeper down, this has more of a chance of losing than the other ones. Good morning from Zambia. Good morning, my brothers. Happy trading. Are you guys trading right now? Now this is turning into a risk trade. This is like a risky trade now. And it's annoying because it's not played out. Still can catch some liquidity before pushing up, but the odds are against us now. I am a lady. Oh, I am sorry. I am very sorry. I didn't look at the picture. I didn't look at the picture. I'm very sorry. All right, let's go. No worries. Thank you. Come on, man. There's no trade. There's literally no trade. There's literally no trade. What a shitty, choppy market. Let me go over to Take Profit Trader and let's get our payout out. La 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 la. Let's see if they've put the money in the account for withdrawal now. They're usually pretty quick, but it works more towards American time, so the New York session on Take Profit Trader, because I think it's American company. Yeah, it is definitely American company. Let's have a look. Wallet. Yeah, still not there. Still not ready for withdrawal, and I'm still waiting. Come on. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt if you come into my area and then push up, rather than just tap in just outside this box. That wasn't, maybe if I had put that there, but then I'd be risking $300. That would have just been 140, so that's not even enough to even just put that into break even. Discard that. Let's have a look. Price comes, then pushes up. If it doesn't, then yeah, then we're not trading today. I can't catch a trade today. We're not trading today. Simple as. And if we lose a trade, win, lose or draw, you leave the markets. You don't chase, because we know later on today or maybe tomorrow there'll be another trade. Let's have a look. If I get the fib tool out, so that wasn't really a big structure of the retracement, so I should have done it from here. I maybe have miscalculated right now. I miscalculated maybe. No, I haven't. I'm actually right. I wouldn't take that trade, yeah. That trade needed to come below 50%. Either 50% here or into this fair value gap around the 61.8%. That's where my trade would be okay. But then I've got my stop loss very tight as well, on $240. Let's say about 252 would have been all right. That, but price is not coming into our area. Very shit price action today. Remember guys, discount and premium price. If you're buying always remember price needs to come into a discounted area before you buy to the upside. And if you're selling, make sure price is always coming to a premium price before you're selling to the downside. So it's always about price, and the price you can get. It's just exactly what happens in the markets, the fruit markets. Exactly what happens on eBay and Amazon. If the demand is high, the price is you get a better price. If you've got less of a stock, you got to pay a higher price for it because now it's going at a premium rate. That's all it is. What's your take profit? You know, I'm currently not in the trade, but it's just missed my trade, Nicole. But my take profit would have been here, and that's not that I'm trading against the trend, because on the higher time frame we're pushing down. I'm following the trend on the lower time frame because I wanted it to retrace. So I was following the retracement. So I'm following the trend on the lower time frame. But now this trade is very risky. If this comes back down here and taps me in, I'm not sure it'll continue pushing up now because we are on a downtrend. So it's a very risky trade, but I'm only risking $250 on it. So I don't mind taking that trade. And my take profit is here. So basically, let me just show you. So if you go on to the 30-minute time frame, my take profit is roughly around this area here, because this area here is a 1 hour fair value gap for a retracement and a push back to the downside. So if price retraces into this red area here, I'm looking for sells. If it traces into this red line here, I'm looking for sells. If it retraces into this area, I'm looking for sells. And if it retraces here, I'm looking for sells because that area has been tapped into many times and sold off. But I'm always looking for a change of character, a break of structure, a confluence, a couple of confluences, and then I'll take my shot. But right now, I wanted price to tap me in so I could continue up. But it looks like price has retraced slightly here and is going to continue pushing down. But we still can have a retracement up before we have another big push down. So I'm hoping, I may be wrong, but I'm hoping we can have a retracement into a premium price before price starts pushing back down again. So that's why I'm entering here, because I'm trying to go into that retracement zone. If that makes sense. But price doesn't just seem to be coming into my area, tapping me in. Have 99% pure signal and powerful scalping strategy. Actually, let me go see where that gold went, because I was supposed to put a trade on gold. Let me have a quick look, because I was looking for a buy, but it was clearly going down. Yeah, see, I knew it was clearly going down. So oh no, yeah, I was right. So where's he gone? Mr. Narcos, you were wrong. Price went against you and tapped you out. Hit the stop loss. See, you shouldn't trade against the trend. What I'm doing here on the MNQ. To be fair, them candles are pretty strong now compared to the candles we've had going into an opposite direction. So maybe I shouldn't be selling, maybe I shouldn't be buying here right now. But I'm going against the trend on the lower time frame because I'm hoping for a retracement on the higher time frames. So I'm looking to push up into a retracement area, and I'm hoping we can get that push up, because right now price is moving like shit. It may have some sort of reaction from this area here, but even then I'm not counting on it, because we should be from here. That's where I should be entering from if price comes there. And then what, I'm only risking $240, which is good. But yeah, let's see what price does. Anyone else here trading Nasdaq at the moment? We know price is very choppy. We've not actually had a nice entry. Not had a nice entry at the moment. I'm looking to take this trade if it's probably going to tap us in, but it's very risky and can go against us. So if I do lose this trade, I know the risk that I'm taking and I know how much I'm willing to lose on this trade. That now, because I pushed it down a little bit, that now would have tapped us in. And that may have been that trade. But we'll see how it goes. Pablo's been on a while, Pablo. Ask questions, man. I know you're new. Pablo left. Alright, it looks like it's slowly creeping into our... Okay, that's tapped us in, but now we'll see what price does because it's very choppy and we know price can go against us at any time. So we're only risking $200 on this one, so I'm willing to take a loss, but really it should have been an A+ setup, and right now it's not A+ because price has started to push down with stronger candles. Maybe is it creeping into that fair value gap before it pushes back up? We don't know. So yeah, let's just let it play out and let's see what happens. Yeah, it's just pushing down at the moment. And remember, win, lose, draw, guys. You just stop for the day, you come off the markets and you come back again at a later time, or you come back tomorrow. You save your capital for another trade. The only reason I'm risking $240 on this trade is because I made enough profit to lose this much today. So this is kind of now more towards a forced trade rather than a trade that I actually wanted to go for, because price didn't move exactly how we actually wanted it to move. So we need some big pushes to the upside, and then that will kind of be my kind of trade. Or if it starts going totally against us, then I'll be like, oh, okay, no, then I don't want to take the trade. I'll have to probably just come out of it. But yeah, let's just see what price is doing. Did it come into that fair value gap? It came into the 61.8 watt area right now. We need like massive pushes up, not small ones like that. We need big pushes up to the upside. And that way I can bring my stop loss into break even, and that way I'm not losing no money whatsoever. So if that continues moving like that, that's fine. So my stop loss is actually in break even now. So if price continues moving big and nice, that's good. If the next 4 seconds can give us a big push up, which it didn't, so it's still crap. But I'm in break even now, so if price goes against me, that's fine. If price is going to continue going up, that's fine. So we're just waiting right now. So it's just the waiting game and waiting for price to go up. Hoping for price to go into the area here, because that's where I'm looking for a sell-off. But if we can get price pushing into that area, that'd be nice for a sell-off. If I was copy trading on all of my accounts, I would have just taken the $200 because it would have got calculated across about 5 or 6 accounts. You know, don't like the way price is chopping around. Very choppy. Very choppy. So if it does go against us now, we know we are breaking even. So it's moving down fast. So you can see that came from $200 in profit to coming down now to almost breaking even, which is shit, really. We just want price not to be so choppy and just keep moving. But right now we're risk-free, guys. We're risk-free. We're in break-even. If price goes against us, we're broken even. Then I'm not looking to take a trade. But it'll be just funny if it stops you out and then continues back into that direction. But we do need a good retracement. That's what we do need right now. We need a good retracement where price goes into a premium area so that we can have a good price for a sell-off. That's what we're looking to do at the moment, but I'm not quite sure what price is actually trying to do down here. Very choppy. Imagine all of that waiting just to get a break even. Then that's when your psychology kicks in. That's when you got to learn to control your emotions, because you don't want to force trade, revenge trade, fear of missing out, FOMO, create a strategy that's not there, and entering in places for no reason whatsoever. Probably let this trade play out. But the way price is moving, if it does go here or take profit, then we're going to be here a while because price is moving like shit. Right now I can just set and forget because I'm in break even anyway, or I can just take the profits out and leave for the day. But I could take profits out and leave for today because then that'll be part of my consistency. But we want to see price break just above this area at least, or break above this area at least. This is where I should have been taking the first take profit. This is definitely the area I was saying. But the way price is moving right now, I'm not actually bothered if it stops us out, break even, or continues pushing up and then gives us what we're looking for. Come on, buyers, just push price up. Let's take some profits, hopefully, and then we can just come back tomorrow because price is chopping. Even tomorrow, price is going to be so shit because we got FOMC at 7 p.m. GMT time. That should be around about lunchtime, just after lunchtime maybe. Yeah, look, price is pushing down. We don't know if it's going to continue up or it's just going to go against us. We could bring that up a slight bit more and we'll just catch more profits, a little bit more profits. What's your profit now? The profit, I'm targeting this area here. So, because I'm looking for a retracement, I'm currently trading against the trend on the higher time frame, but on the lower time frame it's with the trend because I'm looking for a retracement to go into a retracement area. So this is my profit target area here. So that's 27372, probably the first target, but I don't think it'll go there. It'll probably stop me out break even anyway because I pushed my target. That was right. Yeah, that's executed my stop loss. There you go. Broke me even. $78. That's bloody bullshit. But the way price is moving, I'm not really bothered anyway. It's moving too shit, too slow. Not my type of price action. We got tapped in break even. All right, guys, I've been on for 45 minutes longer than I should have been. I am on 8:30 a.m. GMT London session every day, Monday to Friday. So make sure you join me, guys, and trade with me live. Or if you're a new trader, you can have questions and I can answer them for you as the best as I can. And if you're always looking for discounts or some sort of training, just jump into my link in the bio on TikTok. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you jump on and look at the description and you'll see all the discounts in the bio and all the good stuff there. So anyway, I'll catch you later, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.